In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Pepperstone Demo Account. If you've blown up your virtual balance or just want a clean slate, there isn't a single reset button inside Pepperstone. Instead, you get the same result by either asking support to refresh your demo balance, creating a brand new demo account, or letting the current one expire and opening another. Let's start with the support option. Head to your Pepperstone client area and open the live chat, or reach out through their support email. Clearly ask for a demo balance reset and include your demo account number and the platform you're using, like MT4, MT5, CTrader, or TradingView. Support can restore your demo funds or refresh the account so you can start again. This is handy if you want to keep the same login and settings. Response times vary, so keep an eye on your messages and don't forget to confirm which account you want reset if you've got more than one. The fastest method is to create a new demo account. Log into your Pepperstone Secure Client area. Go to the Account section and choose Open Demo Account. From there, pick your platform, select your account type, Standard or Razor, set your starting balance, and choose your leverage. Submit the form, and you'll receive fresh login details for your platform. Make sure to save those credentials right away. Most traders prefer this route because you're up and running in minutes, and Pepperstone typically allows multiple demo accounts, often up to about 5 if you don't have a live account yet. If you run into a limit, you can remove an old demo or ask support for help. A quick tip: set a realistic starting balance that matches what you might fund in a live account, and be conservative with leverage while you practice. There's also the hands-off route. Wait for the demo to expire. MT4 and MT5 demo accounts usually expire after around 30 days of inactivity. Once they lapse, you can simply open a new demo from your client area and begin again. This is useful if you're taking a break and don't need immediate access. If you're actively practicing, though, the support refresh or new account method will get you going right away. To avoid unplanned expiry, log in periodically so the platform registers activity. That's it. Choose the option that fits your situation, reset your demo, and get back to practicing. When you restart, keep your risks small, track your results, and treat the demo like real money to build solid habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.